We're continuing with our Halloween adventures tonight, right here at Magical Woodland in Blakemere Village. We've got lights, we've got characters, we've got food.
It's like a Christmas trail.
It is.
But it isn't.
Halloween.
It's a spooky trail.
There's a ghost, there's a ghost!
So only us turn up to a light trail during the day.
Still a bit light. We thought it had gone dark by now. I looked at it, said it was going to go dark at 6:30, so we bought tickets at 6:30. It's now 10 to 7 and it's still light.
Yeah, luckily the trees are giving some sort of darkness. Do love a good light trail, don't we, Ange?
Love light trails.
Fucking fire!
It's just a big spider. Yeah, so as you come in, it says you can go left for like the easy street and right if you want to go to the scary bit, which is full of spiders. I don't know about you, feels like that shouldn't be the voice of that tree.
If you like a fright, then go to the right.
Feels like it should be a deep voice.
Did you hear that? I want to go to the right.
She said, if you like a fright, go to the right.
Literally been in this forest 2 minutes, psycho music.
That music.
What about it?
It was the scary music.
The psycho music makes it a bit intense though.
It does. Now, this bit now is the start of light trail, and this is why we came here. This is the bit where Anne spends half an hour trying to get the perfect shot of Ollie for Instagram. People thought I was extra.
I love light stuff. This is why we spend so long on these trails.
Okay, any serious injuries?
You're blind.
Let's go past going, oh, it's in my face.
That was fun.
It was good, I enjoyed that.
That was only the first one as well. There's interactive ones apparently this year.
Ooh. So not only have they got lights here, but they've also got some characters.
Yeah, I believe so. I think there's Ghostbusters, there's the Sanderson sisters.
Yeah.
It says there's something under the sea.
So the spooky trail here at the Magical Woodland is available from the 1st of October all the way up until the 31st of October.
That little show was super cool.
It was good,
That
wasn't
was so cute.
Yeah.
I like the song.
I know, I think we're going to be bouncing all the way now.
How wicked by curse will it be? A spine-tingling symphony of disharmony and venomous villainy.
I tell you what, there's one thing that they don't skimp and scrape on here.
The
Smoke.
It's so spooky. I love it. It's not scary though, just spooky.
Yeah, that's
It's
what they say on the
awesome.
website,
Yeah,
isn't it?
Yeah.
It's not
spooky,
scary.
not scary. Proper family Halloween event.
These eyes aren't as spooky as the Harry Potter ones, are they?
No.
So much mixed emotions right now.
Why?
Because like, I feel like it's Christmas but Halloween.
This is so much fun.
I'm really enjoying it. And
Oh, it's a Christmas light.
exactly, that's it. You've got to love a light. What is that, light arch?
Light tunnel.
Light tunnel, there you go. A light tunnel.
Go.
Love me a light tunnel.
They're creepy and they're kooky, mysterious and spooky. They're all together ooky, the Addams Family.
What about you? But I'm having a whale of a time. Nothing from it. So when they said under the sea, I genuinely thought it was going to be Little Mermaid.
I did, but no, it's Jack Sparrow.
And Pirates of the Caribbean. Literally my worst nightmare.
Because he's so scared of octopus, aren't you?
I dislike them a lot.
Intensely, he's terrified of them.
Yes, I do not like
He
them.
won't go in the sea for fear of
No,
them.
8 legs too many. I can handle spiders with 8 legs. Octopus, no. The creativity of this team is amazing. Just get a load of water butts. Projector. And you think he needs to go and get a COVID test?
Why?
Because he's coughing. Just missing Philip Schofield, isn't it? I think the food trucks are nearby.
I'm not even answering you.
Go on, say why.
Why?
Because dinner. I can't even finish it.
The dad jokes are just not good tonight.
I'm hoping this comes out because that is very impressive. at the entire woods. Wow. So you thought the light trail was good enough, but we ain't finished.
No, we've not.
Oh,
We're
no.
about to enter Jurassic Cheshire.
So yeah, partway through the trail, we end up in Jurassic Cheshire, and they've got all dinosaurs for Ollie to go and have a look at. Anybody?
We're so not getting away with this vlog not getting copyrighted.
I was going to say, if this vlog does not get copyright strike, it is a miracle.
Pretty sure it's a dragon.
And just when you thought you've seen it all,
It's the dino band.
Hedwig's here.
So you have dinosaurs, and then you've got actual owls. So this place is on Cheshire Falconry, isn't it?
Yeah.
So that's the reason why they've got live animals there.
So boys and girls, this is Sarah. She is one of our oldest dinosaurs here in Jurassic Cheshire. The guys will be doing a photo. Come round this side here.
so we're now at the point where there's food and drinks.
Yeah, they're like our little Christmas huts,
Yeah.
but like Halloween. Christmas
Halloween huts, we'll call them Halloween huts for now. They also have roasted marshmallows, or roasted ghosts.
Is that what they're calling them?
No, I just called it.
Oh, right, okay. That would have been cool.
You can have that. You can have that. That's free. So, quick bite to eat. We'll show you the menus, and then we're going to roast some marshmallows.
Yeah.
Good idea.
Oh, luxury hot chocolate.
Oh yeah.
And I don't care if it's Halloween, it ain't, it's Christmas.
It
and
feels like
smells
Christmas.
mulled wine.
I know. I feel like Christmassy now. Like, forget Halloween.
Yeah.
Christmas, please.
Scrap it, get it out of the way. So we've gone for the pizza.
Yeah, pepperoni pizza.
Yeah, so that was £12 for that. And Anne's has a massively burnt tongue.
And roof of my mouth and my cheeks. Ollie nudged me just slightly, and I took like I was trying to sip the cream, and I took a massive mouthful, and I was like, ooh. So heads up, those Cadbury hot chocolates are hotter than fire.
Hot chocolates.
You thought Captain Jack Sparrow was cool. You thought that Jurassic Park was cool. Well, what about Ghostbusters?
The only ghost I've seen so far is Slime.
It's Slimer. And this witch. Looks good, that outfit. Run.
What we got all?
Marshmallows.
Marshmallows.
So, future editing guys now. We didn't do a good job at this next bit, which is basically Ollie meeting Winifred for the first time. This was an amazing interaction. And Ollie had no idea what to say and basically went dead quiet.
Oliver, you're wonderful.
Ready?
And you have a safe fly home to Manchester.
Okay.
Is he ever this quiet?
No.
Never.
Can we book you?
Who's this you brought with you, Oliver? Who are they? Are they your grandparents?
He's never ever been this quiet, ever. This is brilliant.
Oliver, I hope you find your voice when you leave me and have a lovely time. I'll remember Oliver as the boy I just couldn't get to shut up. Won't I? It's adorable.
Thank you
Thanks,
so much.
Oliver.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
There we are, bye.
Bye-bye. Take care.
Thank you. Well, you had a lot to say for yourself, didn't you?
Make sure you blow it all.
Do you reckon we can hire a current? Oh my god, I'm a cake.
You got him now.
It's all funny, don't it? That was such a good interaction, wasn't it?
Winifred was amazing.
Yeah, she was so good. She literally saw that Ollie was a bit shy and she went proper in on that. You have fun though? Yeah? It's like, if I don't move, She cannot see me. She wasn't a T-Rex, mate.
Did you catch his reaction when just like we walked away and he just went?
So for anyone interested in the Magical Woodland, the prices are £19.95.
For an adult and $15.50 for a child and $2.50 for the parking.
And they estimate around about an hour and a half to get round.
Yeah.
We've been here for 3 hours.
We have, and we're still not quite finished.
Yeah, exactly. So
and you can go
plenty
around
to do.
more times.
I know,
so
how crazy is that? They let you just
Crazy.
literally lap it as much as you want.
Oh, we don't have time to. It's going to close before we finish. This is us and like trails. We like taking our time and enjoying them.
If you're looking for other Halloween stuff to do, go and check out our channel. We have got a few other things that are happening this year.
Yes.
And until next time,
We'll see you on the next Halloween adventure.
catch you later.
Bye.